Hi, I'm James from Black Project, and I'm here to tell you about the April bottle releases. Next up is HABU Framboise. This is the second beer we've done in our HABU series. The first one was a chocolate cherry in a bourbon barrel with spontaneous beer, and this is again a 3-year spontaneous blend. This one's actually done with mostly raspberries, about 400 pounds of raspberries, and then about 10% of it was our tart cherry beer. We combine those two, it amps up the color a little bit. It brings out actually a little bit of cherry flavor, but the tart cherry actually elevates, I think, the raspberry character of the beer. And then we put a little bit of Tahitian and Madagascar vanilla bean in there at the very end, right before bottling. It's reminiscent of some Cantillon Framboise from the 80s when they used to do it this way. So it's definitely an homage to that, but I think it tastes great with our cultures. So it's definitely raspberry on the nose, great color. It really just looks like it glows. Yeah, raspberry funky complexity underneath of it. Tart like a raspberry, but not overly tart or really like battery acid. It's really a mild fruity tartness. Yeah, it's really great. It's one of my favorite ones we've done. So these are our April releases. They go on sale April 16th at noon to the public. That's a online pre-sale, and then they have to be picked up that weekend following that, which is the 19th through 21st. Again, we have Mock Limit Tempranillo, Habu Framboise, and Cygnus Blend A.